Good morning, everybody.
Morning.
It's currently 2 AM in the morning here.
Yeah.
Why is that, Seb?
Well, you wouldn't get me out of bed for no reason. Today we're going literally on a big adventure, something that we've been wanting to do for quite a while now, since we got to Bali, and we're going on a trek to Mount Batur. So that's going to take us quite a while. So first we're waiting for our little shuttle bus to pick us up, and then we'll be shortly on our way to Mount Batur.
So guys, from our hotel it took 45 minutes to get to Mount Batur.
Yeah.
We had fried banana this morning, which is really like the best. I never thought fried banana would taste that amazing. We're now on our way up Mount Batur.
Mount Batur, that's
on our little trek.
Yeah, it should take, I think, about 2 hours.
2 hours trek up.
Yeah.
And then we have a couple of hours at the top just to have a little look over and see the view.
And wait for the sunrise, basically. Yeah. So we'll keep you updated on the way up. Obviously, it's really dark right now. We're giving flashlights. Thank God for that. And yeah, we'll keep you updated, guys. How's the climb so far?
Not too bad, actually. Not too bad.
It's not. We haven't hit the incline. I don't know if you can pick it up on the camera. I don't think you can actually. I don't think you can see it, but you can see a trail of light going right up the summit of the volcano. Might be able to see it. I don't know. But
Seb is already out of breath by the sound of things.
I've already got lung working.
One lung.
So yeah, so far it's a bit flat, and yeah, in the next sort of 5 minutes we'll probably hit the incline. So it might be a different story. Right, sorry guys, but I've started recording on the phone because it was a bit steeper than I actually thought it was going to be. Very rugged, isn't it?
Very.
We've done Mount Snowdon before, and it wasn't as rugged as this. It's probably actually easier, to be honest. What actually goes into your favour is that it's really cold. Well, cold. It's very cool. Very breezy, very cold. As we go further up, yeah, it's getting a bit colder. So do bring a jacket because it will get a bit cold. Well guys, we only bloody made it.
We bloody made it after how long? 2 hours?
Yeah, about 2 hours to go up.
Trek.
Yeah.
Not too bad.
We at the moment we're about 1,700 meters above sea level.
Yep.
And it was hard, but it wasn't too hard. It's doable, especially this time of the day because it was quite nippy to start with.
Yeah.
But obviously with the climb you get a bit hotter. Once you get to the top though, just make sure you've got a little jacket or something, a little fleece. We wish we had one now because I can't see if you can see, but I'm really cold. A little bit. But I mean the view is absolutely incredible from the top. It was really foggy to start with, but
we were doubting it. We were like, oh, it's not going to be a good shot. It's not going to be a good shot.
I said to him, like, shall we just go back down?
I was because like, no, we stay up. We stay here.
It was just a wall of fog, wasn't it?
Yeah.
But yeah, no, right now the view is absolutely incredible, guys, and
amazing.
I can't wait to get the drone out now. How's the walk on the ridges?
Dangerous. Bloody dangerous.
You got steam coming from every single side, and then
it's like a mini sauna, but with a workout.
You got hot, cold, hot, cold, hot, cold. Tell you what, I'm going to get off the mountain. We're bloody cold.
Yeah.
It's absolutely amazing up here, though. Literally, our guide, bless him, he stayed behind because the rest of our group, after being what, about an hour.
They wanted to go back.
Yeah, we want to go down. Right, I didn't trek up here for 2 hours to go back down again. So I'm so out of breath, so unfit. We both agree that going down is way more fun than going up. It's like sliding on the main volcano. I did fall, so I nearly fall over though, didn't I?
It was hilarious.
So did you though. It's fun though. I wish I had my surfboard. Well, the surfboard I haven't got, but... Morning everyone. So last night we were meant to give you a little tour of Ubud, but I'm not going to lie, we came back from the volcano, we went to bed and slept for about 14 hours. We were absolutely shattered. So today, however, I've got a little surprise for Nathan. He doesn't know anything about it, and I'm taking him to a really relaxing place, very serene place amongst the jungle, but you'll see guys, it looks absolutely amazing, and it's called Wana Jungle Pools. You ready?
What are you doing with the camera?
Nothing.
Yeah, you are. I thought it was our editing day today.
I thought I'd test out the camera. Yeah, are you ready?
For what?
A little surprise for you.
Yeah, right.
No, go on.
What?
Go on. Get ready.
What?
Get ready.
What do I need to get ready for? What do I need to take?
You might need your swim shorts.
Yeah.
You might need your... I don't know, just you. Come on, get ready.
Not coming.
And me, and the camera. Come on, get ready. So here we are guys. Surprise!
I have no idea where the hell we are, but it looks
Well,
fancy.
you saw the sign, what is it called?
The KO
It's a resort, it's a big resort, Kayonan resort, it's a 5-star resort, but part of it is a huge complex, and you've got a place which is called Wana Jungle Pool and Bar, and that is absolutely stunning on the pictures anyway. So now we're going to go get our little ticket to get in. Wow, absolutely wow.
Absolutely
I don't know if you can see behind us. We'll do a proper tour of this place, guys. We sort of splashed out on this. Nathan didn't know anything about it until he got to the place.
All I knew is I needed my swim shorts, and then that's it. That's it.
So I kind of gave it away a little bit by saying you have to bring the shorts. But it could have been a waterfall, it could have been a jacuzzi, it could have been a spa. But no, we've come to this place. So it's basically a 5-star resort where you can obviously stay. They've got plenty of rooms, but what they do, they also do a day entrance fee. So I'll show you quick, guys, the tickets. So you actually get, let me zoom in, it's easier that way. So we went for the silver one, which is 600k, which translates into about £30 each or $45 each. And the silver ticket gets you entrance to both pools, so this pool and that pool, and you're allowed with the silver ticket again to see anywhere you want on the top deck in there. So any of the chairs there, or the little reclining chairs inside the pool. Part of the ticket you also get food, but we'll get to that once we get to order, but you get a lot for your money.
So we have our main pool just here for you. It is a bit cold, but not too cold.
It's just ambient temperature.
Ambient temperature.
It's a benefit to get in once you're in. It's absolutely fine.
Absolutely fine. And then following me this way. So this is your hot tub, which is bubbling away, which we wanted to go in, but we can't.
You can't. That's the thing, guys. In the ticket that we've got, you can't go into the jacuzzi. But I mean, it's not a big deal.
Big issue. No. And then we have a seating area just to your left with all the soft bean bags, which is so cosy. I've already jumped on them.
Which I don't think, are we allowed?
Yeah, we're allowed.
We're allowed to get on those, guys.
Yeah. And then follow down to the steps. To the second level of the pool. So you have your main big pool, and then you have your warmer pool, which I will be in most of the day because it is so warm. It's lovely.
Yeah, I'll be over there. I'll be right over there. That one.
That there, looking over with your arm,
looking up the jungle. Right, guys. Time for a bit of B-roll. A few Instagram pictures as well, because this place is absolutely amazing, and pictures are worth 1,000 words.
It does look like a lost world in Jurassic Park. It does. Wow guys, it's absolutely stunning.